As you can see the shirt, never settle, get better. Here are RLF. That's what we strive for, never settle, get better. And that's the same thing that goes with you. When you follow that nutrition guide, and nutrition seems to be a little bit of a struggle, fight for that 7 days to finish that 7-day program out that we have. If the exercise portion is your problem, then make sure you stay focused and stay true to yourself to finish out that 7-day program. Never settle, get better. All right? So we're going to go ahead and hop into the next exercise of the day. Now I'm going to demonstrate the modified beginner version. Right leg stagger forward, left leg is back. As you can see, he's in a lunge position, but he's not in a deep lunge. All right? Arms are parallel to the ground. He's going to go ahead, crunch forward. Twist, twist, back to the middle, standing tall. And as you can see, he's trying to get his chest parallel to the ground, rotate, touching those ankles. One more time, down, twist, twist, middle, and back up, okay? Now you can see, as he goes down, he's engaging that core. Rotate, twist, twist. He's actually engaging those obliques as well. He's going to go ahead and demonstrate the intermediate version. As you can see, that lunge is a little bit deeper. Go ahead and activate those quad halves and glutes. You're going to go ahead, arms parallel. 2 impulses. 1, 2, chest parallel to the ground. Rotate. Touching inner ankle, outer ankle, middle. Back up. That's 1 rep. Impulse, impulse. Down. Rotate, middle. That's 2, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna demonstrate the advanced version. Same concept, you're down in that lunge, a deep lunge. You're gonna go ahead and hop up, arms are parallel to the ground. 1, 2, down. Rotate, middle, and back up. Now, you may be a little off balance as you go all the way down. Touch an ankle, you may lose your balance. If you lose your balance, go ahead, it's all right. Get right back into it, all right? So make sure you never settle, get better, challenge yourself, whether it be with the nutrition program or be with the exercises. Make sure you challenge yourself, okay? Now, with these exercises, you have a total of 8 reps, 3 sets, 8 reps, all right? As soon as you get done there, high knees, 3 sets, 30 seconds, 2, 3, 30 seconds. That's beginner, intermediate, advanced, right here on me. Get them up, 30 seconds, all right? 3 sets, 30 seconds. The lunges, going down, rotate, rotate, and back up. I need a total of 8 reps, each leg, 3 sets. We're gonna see you in that next exercise, 4.
Never settle, get better.